Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on the essentials. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. Next, power the car to accessory or running so the infotainment system is active. Open the car's Bluetooth or phone settings and select Add Device or Pair. You do this now because the system only broadcasts when awake. Make sure your phone screen is unlocked and notifications won't interrupt pairing prompts. This ensures you see codes and confirmations immediately. Once you've initiated pairing, look at the car's screen for a numeric PIN or a confirmation message that matches the phone prompt. Many systems show a 4-6-digit code you must enter on the phone or confirm that both displays match. If no code appears, try the manufacturer defaults like 0000 or 1234, while you continue to check the car manual or label in the glove box. Make sure to accept prompts on both devices to complete authentication. You finish by confirming pairing on both the phone and the car, then grant permissions for contacts and audio so hands-free calling works. If pairing fails, restart the phone and infotainment, delete old Bluetooth entries on both sides, and try again. This clears cache conflicts that often block PIN exchange. Make sure to consult the owner manual or contact the dealer if a special manufacturer PIN is required, and consider updating the car's firmware to fix pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.